Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to North Dakota Today, and welcome back to another Ask an Attorney segment with Mike Kuna from Kuna Law Firm PLLC. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Jillian.
All right, so this week's question is, Dear Attorney Kuna, my son and daughter-in-law are very young. They're only 22 and 23 years old, and unfortunately, sometimes their behavior shows it. My daughter-in-law told me that last night they were arguing in their car outside a fraternity house near NDSU where they attended a party earlier. One of the neighbors living in a house nearby called the police, and my son was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct for his loud noise. However, my daughter-in-law wasn't arrested or charged. Can you please help us? My son is a good boy, and I don't want him to have a criminal record.
Well, first, yes, I can definitely help you. Second, Jillian, we talked about this before, right? This is infuriating. Disorderly conduct is a catch-all kind of phrase and an offense that the police uses when they simply have nothing else to charge you with. And usually, it happens in the same situations. Why? Because the statute itself is extremely ambiguous. It's not clear. And when something is not clear, law enforcement tends to use it in order to charge offenses. Moreover, I would say on the spectrum, in my years of experience, I've noticed that this is a charge specifically charged more often by younger and less experienced officers. Also, this is a charge that has been charged multiple times when the suspect has been irritating to the police officers or had given them attitude. Now, the law itself states that if somebody with the intent to alarm, annoy, or harass someone does the following, he should be charged with disorderly conduct. And one of the clauses is loud noise. What is loud noise? Do you know, Jillian?
I feel like it's personal to everyone.
Yes, I don't know either.
Okay.
That's why it's so ambiguous. Is loud noise next to a fraternity house the same as loud noise in an elderly home, Jillian?
Probably not.
No, but I presume neighbors outside a fraternity house don't really like the noise from the fraternity house, right?
I would imagine.
And therefore, they tend to call police officers. Also, the neighbor might have been concerned about the noise itself, thinking it's an argument. However, it seems in this instance that the family is in good relations with each other and there was no real substantial argument over whatever happened in the party in the fraternity house. Therefore, we have to consider the following defenses in this case. First, in order for a crime to happen, we need mens rea, which is the mental aspect, like we said, intent, or in the disorderly conduct statute, it says with reckless disregard. That's probably that is part of the intent. And we need the actus reus, the act itself of loud noise happening. Can we truly prove that there was an intent to annoy, harass, or alarm, or reckless disregard of that outside probably a very loud fraternity house with music? I would say it would be very hard. And I presume the neighbors that complained to the police were not exactly as young as the couple in question. Comes the question, did these neighbors hear what happened? Did they listen to it? Can they give the level of noise that was there? Do they even want to file charges? Do they want to testify? Will they remember what happened 3 to 4 months from now in court? I'm highly doubtful. I believe these cases should be fought and should be fought vigorously because I do not like cases in which suspects are actually charged for something that is so general and obscure. And I also believe that in these cases, it's not professional career criminals that are being charged. It's regular people that are being charged for regular conduct. and I will gladly fight those charges. Call me directly, 701-404-7768.
And it's always a fantastic opportunity to hear your advice through
Thank
your
you.
extensive experience, so thank you.
Thank you.
If you have a legal question, you can go to our website at valleynewslive.com and click on the Ask an Attorney tab. We have lots more North Dakota Today coming up right after the break.